So a lot of the larger systems out there, they have pagination, meaning that instead of showing all the results, let's just do Google here, Google, and let's, you see here, there are 10 billion results right now. And if I scroll down, there's luckily a pagination bar down here, so I can switch between the different pages. Whew. Because if they showed all the results here, it'll be kind of slow to load. So to do pagination, you have to kind of explain your system that I only want to show part of the actual full result. So how do we do that? Again, with a cursor method. We're going to start out by, I'm going to show you two different ways, two things you need to do this. First, let's look at the limit. Limit is a cursor method that you use to say, I do not want everything back. I only want part of the result back. You just do this by writing limit. So let's go back here and say, right now we have 3 guys. It's a small database, so it's not going to need a limit. But let's say I only want one of them back. I'll make a limit and say I only accept 1 back. Let's try and execute this. Now I'm only getting 1 person. Okay, I actually wanted 2 back. So I'll get 2 of the 3 persons, right? Let's say that this was a database with 100,000 and I said I want 50, the first 50 guys back. I'll get those back, right? So the limit is a way for you to limit the amount of data you get back, and that's very powerful when you start having more complex, bigger system. In this small example, it doesn't matter, it'll be just as fast. But let's say you had 5 million users, then you only get the first 100 back. But let's say you had, like Google here, you have a gigantic result with 10 billion results, you need to get only part of it back, right? So that's the limit keyword. To only get, in this case, Google only gets the first, I don't know, is it 10 hits or something, instead of giving you it all, right? So next time we'll look at what else we can use here. See you next time.